Have you ever felt really hungry but you didn't want anything sweet? Well, a yogurt parfait is the perfect snack for you. The first step to making a yogurt parfait is to gather these materials. What I like to use is vanilla yogurt, but if you don't have that, you can use just plain yogurt and add some honey to it. Then we'll use that. And then we have some Special K that I will be using, and banana and strawberries, and the cup, of course. The next step to make your yogurt parfait is to prepare all the things. So we are going to slice this banana when I get it open. And we have some strawberries over there that are already cut, so that to give you an example of what. That should be enough for the first round. Okay, that should be enough. And then if you have honey in your yogurt mix, you are going to want to stir that up really good. And also the yogurt will be kind of like liquidy, so you might want to stir that up to make it a little more solidified. Next, you're going to open up this bag of cereal, which I have done. So, the final step to preparing your yogurt parfait is to assemble. The first thing we're going to do is put these banana slices into the cup. Once you do that, you're going to get the yogurt and get about a cup. It doesn't have to be complete, but about. We will also be using the yogurt later on, so make sure you don't use too much. Then we're going to pour the yogurt on top of banana. Okay, then we're going to do cereal. I normally kind of just pour it in, but you can also pour in just like a half a cup. Not just pour it in. I'm gonna flatten it down. And I'm gonna flatten this down just so everything fits in. Then I'm going to add a little bit more yogurt, and you can just kind of whisk it here. Until you have enough room for the finished topping, which is strawberries. And you're gonna place the cut strawberries on top. You can use any type of berry you want, but I just like strawberries, so that's what I'm using. Enjoy your delicious yogurt parfait.